Hello, I am here to rant today because Shakes and Fidget have a new UI. And oh my god, it's terrible. Okay, overall of the city, okay, I can use to this, but oh my god. We have such left tabs because this is folders now. And it gets even worse. Like, you can only have one open. Oh my god, the city is now much bigger. And you can't just... You need also to get from the city. You need to like scroll it. It's not very handy. Like, everything has moved on to other places. Like, where the dungeons are, the underworld, it's in fights. Why we have fights? Like folder for fights. Okay, we have area where you can fight with other people, dungeons and your minions. That's a bit weird. Like, okay, they fight, but I wasn't looking for this here. We have merchants. That's okay, but the new UI is very, very weird. Like, this is your character menu. You have description. It's all over the place. Like, you don't have now these arrows when you can change between characters. Now we have these marks. It's pretty okay. I will get used to it. I even like it. But why the inventory is on the bottom now? It's kind of weird. And now you can close your inventory. And I guess it's closed by default. When I went to the toilet, that was what I saw. Like, it's a toilet, but where is your inventory? I need to look for this icon to open my backpack. And you can guess it. I don't like this feature when the inventory is optional. Like, you have to close inventory to see all of this stuff. Like, you want to see the guy who's selling for you weapons. You need to close this. You need to close your inventory. That's kinda lame. But now you have class info. Okay, your race. I don't know why you need to know that. Because you choose your race upon start. You have all races. Your class. Okay, like, here's in the indicator your mag or mage. Your Hall of Fame status. And your knowledge book. Like the mountain potions. Sorry, I'm not native English. It's just so weird. Now you have to click 2 times more for things to just look at this. Look at this. Like, thank God. It's only the tavern. The whole tavern UI is same old. But I really don't get it. Why we should change? Why they change UI such inconvenient way. Well, maybe I will say something that I like your items, your enchanted items are now with the star. And also when you're changing characters and you have a weapon that suits only for the class, that will be with the shadow. You will know, okay, that it's not for this class. But I really hate new folder system. And the guilds. Where are the guilds? That's a good question. Quarter? Okay. We have guilds. And the first you will see when you come to this is this. You have your guild, the Hall of Fame, member number, and blah blah blah, others useless stuff that probably you don't want to know. Description and the requirements. And I guess this is a new tab. That's interesting. And to see other people, you have to click here. And you will see your whole crew. Then you have the upgrades. Oh, so now you can't see the upgrades. Now you need to click other thing to see the upgrades. That's really weird. Okay, and you here can upgrade. Okay, that's weird. Like now you don't have anything, everything in one place. Now you have now 3 other tabs to just see what people have and or people are active. You have other tab to upgrade, and you have this little weird thing like Hero of the Day, and I don't know what it means. But yeah, I think this is not very helpful. Like, I think you will have to do more than clicking. Like, I'm in the fights, I'm in the dungeon. Okay, and oh, I wanna go to the tavern. So I click here. And this open the tab, and yeah, I must to click again to see my quest. It's not intuitive for me. Like, guys, if you have your own opinion, I would like to hear that in the comments. In my opinion, it's just unnecessary to do these tabs. Like, I wanted to go to the cap player, I would just click this twice or 3 times. That would be quicker. Now I will just click this to open again folder. And you can't just leave it open. It will just let you open one and one that you're in. And we have training camp. Training camp is an interesting idea. I like it very well. Like, it will help to progress you in the game. Like, we have new progress thing that was a challenge, a little challenge, but I don't know really where it is. Oh, it's here. Okay, so we have login bonus, the event, and the daily quests. And oh my god, I really need to read all of it to know where it is. It's not just one button that indicates where it is and you just learn it through the game. Like, oh, you wanna go to the weaponsmith, and in the weaponsmith is there, goddammit, yeah, how it was in the English, the blacksmith, and you go to the blacksmith because you unlock it, and now you have it in the other place. That's such an inconvenience. The city is pretty nice, pretty good looking. But yeah, for God's sake, please, Shakes, don't make me play this way. It's just annoying. Okay, so that was my thoughts on this topic. I'll just complete my rant about how I don't like changes. So yeah, thank you for watching, and let me know what do you think about this new UI.